We're starting with breaking updates now coming in. It's a big update and a setback for the Munambam residents. The Supreme Court has stayed the Kerala High Court's declaration, which means that status quo is going to continue till the 27th of January. So the Supreme Court has stayed the Kerala High Court's declaration that Munambam land isn't Waqf, ordering status quo. Let's go across to my colleague Harish Nair, legal editor, joining us on the broadcast with the details. Harish, take us through what happened in the court.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. In fact, we all know that the Munambam land controversy was much in news even during the discussion of the Waqf Amendment Bill in Parliament, with Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju repeatedly showcasing it as a sample case, clear test case of why there's a lot of encroachment by the Waqf boards across India. So today, on an appeal filed by the Kerala Waqf Samrakshana Vedi, the Supreme Court has stayed the Kerala High Court's October 10th order, which had declared Munambam land a 404.76 acre, in which originally several Christian and Hindu families had resided, saying that they had deeds to show since 1990s, and that property apparently had been declared a Waqf by the Kerala Waqf Board. But that order was that High Court had ruled that it's not a Waqf property, and against which the state Kerala Waqf Vedi, Samrakshana Vedi, had approached Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has stayed that particular order of the Kerala High Court and ordered status quo till January 27, when it will begin hearing final arguments on the appeal filed by this Waqf Samrakshana Vedi. In fact, this organization had said that the High Court had exceeded its brief by going into the nature of the land, but because while it is the exclusive jurisdiction of the state tribunal, Waqf tribunal, and the only question before the High Court was the challenge by the Waqf Samrat Samiti into the state government, appointing one member commission to probe the nature, status.
So,
and extent
Harish,
of
what does it mean for the Munambam residents? Because they've been protesting for a long time now. You mentioned that till the January 22nd it has been put on hold, but what does it mean for the residents?
This means that at least till January 27, that will continue to be a Waqf property, because that was what the High Court had changed. High Court had changed the nature. In fact, the High Court had said it's not a Waqf property, but Supreme Court says no, we are staying the High Court order, which means that will continue to be a Waqf property till January 27 at least. So it's a big setback for hundreds of Hindu and Christian families who have been residing there and claiming to be their property, and even had showed deeds dating back since 1990s.
Okay, all right. So for now, big setback for the residents of Munambam. They've been protesting for a long time now, some relief, and now finally the Supreme Court has now put an hold to this big setback. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we shift to